Hey everybody, Mark Adams here. Welcome to Mark Adams' Favorite Tool Tuesday. I'm going to take a little shift. I have a lot of tools to share with you, but I think the best tool of all is education. It's a tool that you can't put in your toolbox, but that you can put in your list of skills that you can accomplish. And that's the whole thing that our school is based off of, is technique, education. That's the tool. And as you look through our webpage, you're going to see all kinds of instructors. We've got 117 of them. We got 250 different workshops on a variety of different crafts, not just woodworking, and we do cover every aspect of woodworking, but we also do things like glass blowing. We do all kinds of metal work. We do foundry work. We do forging work. We do stone carving and stone sculpture work. We also do masonry work here. We do glass and paper and textiles of all kinds. You can't get anything else anywhere else by such a variety of world class. I mean, I'm talking about the people who teach here are the best craftspeople of all of modern time. We would love to have you come and spend a workshop here, spend time this summer here. We got plenty of openings. And I believe that by far, will be the best tool you could possibly put in your toolbox. Hey, we look forward to having you here, and I look forward to meeting you personally.